Hello, my dear students. Once again, welcome back to our grammar class. Are you ready for class? Okay. Did you read our grammar textbook? Did you study very well? Okay. What we learned in our last class? In our last class, we learned about possessive naming word. Possessive naming word. What is possessive naming word? Possessive naming words that the words belong, that shows belonging. Yes, അത് ആരുടേതാണ്, അത് ആരുടെ കയ്യിലാണ്, ആരുടെ ഉടമസ്ഥതയിലാണ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സുകളാണ് എന്ത്? possessive naming word. Possessive naming word. Then, do you know how can write possessive naming word? How can change a naming word into possessive naming word? How can change a naming words to possessive naming word? How can ഒരു നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡിനെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒരു പൊസസീവ് നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ് ആക്കുക? എങ്ങനെ? ഹൗ? യെസ്, add apostrophe mark, then add yes. Add apostrophe mark, then add yes. Then where we want to add apostrophe and yes? എവിടെയാണ് നമ്മൾ അപ്പോസ്ട്രോഫി മാർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് എസ് എഴുതേണ്ടത്? അത് ആരുടേതാണെന്ന് പറയാൻ ആ വസ്തുവിൻ്റെ കൂടെയാണോ? നോ, അത് ആരുടേതാണ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, അത് ആരുടേതാണോ അതിന് കൂടെയാണ് എന്ത് വേണ്ടത്? അപ്പോസ്ട്രോഫി എസ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, then let's check the teacher, the book of the teacher. The book of the teacher. How can change in the possessive naming word? The book of the teacher. The book of the teacher. How can change the possessive naming word? ആരുടെ ബുക്കാണ്? ടീച്ചറുടേത്. ടീച്ചറുടെ എന്താണ്? കയ്യിൽ എന്താണുള്ളത്? ബുക്ക്. ആരുടെ ബുക്കാണ്? അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെയാണ് എന്തായിരിക്കുന്നത്? അപ്പോസ്ട്രോഫി യെസ്. the book of the teachers. whose book? Teacher. The teachers book. The teachers. Then where we want to add up write apostrophe? Is it correct? Is it correct? No. Then is it correct? No. Whose book? Whose book? The book of the teacher. Whose book? Teacher. Teacher. At first, then write teacher. The word ending with the R. Then add at the ending of the word we want to write apostrophe. Then write yes. ഒരു വേർഡിനെ, ഒരു നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡിനെ പൊസസീവ് നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡൊക്കെ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡിൻ്റെ എൻഡിങ് ലെറ്ററിന് ശേഷമാണ് എന്ത് എഴുതേണ്ടത്? അപ്പോസ്ട്രോഫി മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. then write yes, the teachers. what is teachers book? The teachers book. The teachers book. Okay, then let's take another example. The doctors, the car of the doctor. The car of the doctor. Car of the doctor. Whose car? Whose car? Yes, the car of the doctor. Doctor in the car. Whose car? Doctor. Whose car? The doctors. Who? Then this is a naming word. The doctor. This is a naming word. Then we want to change the possessive naming word. We want to change the possessive naming word. Then where is apostrophe? Is here. Is here. അങ്ങനെ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ അപ്പോസ്ട്രോഫി മാർക്ക് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുമോ? No. The ending of the word. Then add, write, mark the apostrophe ending of the word. Whose car? Doctor. So doctors, doctor apostrophe doctors എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഡോക്ടറിന്റെ പ്ലൂറൽ ഫോം അല്ല ഇവിടെ പറയുന്നത്. Doctors, doctor. At first write the word doctor, then write apostrophe yes. Okay, at the ending of the word, ending of the word, the doctors, doctor എന്താണ്? Doctors car, doctors car, doctors car. Understand? Okay, good. Then let's do the doctor's car, the doctor's car. Okay, then all of you look at the page number 13. Did you do that homework? Did you do the homework? I think you have two sentences to change the possessive naming word. Fifth one is the pram of the baby. The pram of the baby. How did you write? The pram of the baby. Whose? ആരുടേതാണ്? Baby. So let's write the baby's pram. The baby's pram. Did you finish? Okay, good. The babies. ആരുടേതാണ്? Baby. The babies. The babies pram. The babies pram. The babies. The babies pram. The babies pram. Next one. The uniform of the soldier. The uniform of the soldier. The uniform of the soldier. Whose uniform? Soldiers. The soldiers. Let's write the soldiers. Is it correct? Is it correct? No. The word soldier. The word soldier. Then write after the word. Let's write the apostrophe. Yes. The soldiers uniform. The soldiers uniform. Okay, understand? Okay, good. Next, all of you look at the next exercise. Letter B. Underline the correct possessive naming word. Underline the correct possessive naming words in these sentences. One has been done for you. Here some sentences are given. Then find the correct possessive naming word. Find the correct possessive naming word. Or if you look at the sentence, first sentence is the rabbit's and fur is soft. Here we discussed it. Add the apostrophe mark and s at the end of the word. At the end of the word. ഒരു വേർഡിൻ്റെ എൻഡിങ്ങിലാണ് അപ്പോസ്ട്രോഫി ഇസ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, എവിടെ? What we want to add apostrophe is at the ending of the word. Okay, here sentence, the rabbit sorry. The rabbi is here. Rabbit's fur is soft. We want to find which one is the correct. Two options. First one is here and first one is this. And which one is the correct? Is it correct? Is it correct? No. This is the correct. The word rabbit here is ending. Then after rabbit in the fur. Fur means പഞ്ഞി പോലത്തുള്ള തൂവലാണ് ഫർ. രോമത്തിന് പറയാ fur. The rabbit's fur is soft. The rabbit's fur is soft. After the word add apostrophe yes. Okay, what we want to Here is this not underline this word. Next one. What is the next one? All of you read. Second sentence. The man's. The man's mistake. He looks funny. Whose man in the which one is the correct? Is it or his? Yes, this is the man. Then apostrophe. Then right. Yes. Okay. Here is the answer is man's. Now, can you write the possessive naming word? Okay, can you write the possessive naming word? Okay, then here I stop. 4 more sentences are given in our textbook. This is your homework. You must find individually. You want to find individually. Take the note now after your class. At the time of ending our class, you must do this homework. What we want to underline the correct possessive naming word. Underline the correct possessive naming word. I think you can find the possessive. You can find the correct possessive naming word. Okay. 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 Then let's go to the next exercise. Let's go to the next exercise. Rewrite each sentence using a possessive naming word. Yes, some sentences are given here. We want to rewrite the sentence with the correct possessive naming word using a possessive naming word. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. All of you read the first sentence. Yes, the first sentence is answer is also given in our textbook. What is the first sentence? A red purse that belongs to own Sakshi is missing. A red purse. What is that? A red purse. Whose purse that belongs? To own Sakshi. Own Sakshi purse. എന്ത് സംഭവിച്ചു? Is missing. ഓൺ സാക്ഷി ഇവിടെ ഒരു റെഡ് പേഴ്സ് എന്തായിട്ടുണ്ട്? മിസ്സായിട്ട് നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ഹൗ ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് ഇൻ ദ possessive naming word? Yes, whose പേഴ്സ്? ഓൺ സാക്ഷി. ആരുടേതാണോ അതെന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഫസ്റ്റ് എഴുതണം. എന്നിട്ടോ ഓൺ സാക്ഷീസ്. പൊസസീവ് നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡിൽ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡിനെ പൊസസീവ് നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ് ആക്കിയിട്ട് എഴുതണം. ആരുടേതാണ്? ഓൺ സാക്ഷീസ്. ഓൺ സാക്ഷീസിന് എന്താണ് നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടത്? റെഡ് പേഴ്സ്. ഓൺ സാക്ഷീസ് റെഡ് പേഴ്സ്. വാട്ട് ഹാപ്പൻ ടു പേഴ്സ്? യെസ്, മിസ്സിംഗ്. ഓൺ സാക്ഷീസ് റെഡ് പേഴ്സ് ഈസ് മിസ്സിംഗ്. ഓൺ സാക്ഷീസ് റെഡ് പേഴ്സ് ഈസ് മിസ്സിംഗ്. ക്യാൻ യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? Do you understand how can write? Let's look the next one. All of you read the second sentence. The axe of the woodcutter is blunt. The axe of the woodcutter. Axe of the woodcutter is blunt. Whose axe? The axe of the woodcutter is blunt. Axe of the woodcutter is blunt. Axe. Axe means kodali. Whose axe? Woodcutter. Woodcutter na axe is blunt. Adu odinju poyittundu. Pottu poyittundu. Okay. The axe of the woodcutter is blunt. The axe of the woodcutter is blunt. Whose axe? Whose axe? The woodcutter. Who says? The woodcutter. At first, let's write is the whose. The woodcutter. ആരുടേതാണ്? woodcutter. എന്താണ്? How can I write in the possessive naming word? The woodcutters. Right here, apostrophe. Yes, the woodcutters. What's that? Yes, woodcutters axe. Woodcutters axe. Then what happened to the axe? The woodcutters axe is blunt. The woodcutters axe is blunt. The wood. How can I? അത് ആരുടേതാണെന്ന് ഫസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത്, എന്നിട്ട് അതെന്താണ്, എന്ത് സാധനമാണ് അയാളുടെ കയ്യിലുള്ളതെന്ന് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത്, അതിനെന്ത് സംഭവിച്ചു, അതിനെങ്ങനെയാണ് വിശേഷിക്കുന്നത്, അത് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടൈമിൽ ചെയ്ത്. ദ വുഡ് കട്ടേഴ്സ് ആക്സ് ഈസ് ബ്ലെൻഡ്. ദ വുഡ് കട്ടേഴ്സ് ആക്സ് ഈസ് ബ്ലെൻഡ്. ഓക്കെ, ഡിഡ് യു റൈറ്റ്? The woodcutter's axe is blunt. Okay. The next sentence, all of you read the next sentence. The cap of the player is blue in color. Next one. The cap of the player is in blue color. The cap of the player is blue color. Blue. And the cap of the player. Player ne cap. Another color and which color is blue color. How can I? The cap of the player is in blue color. Whose cap? Whose cap? Yes, the players. The players. Whose cap? The player. Playerinde, കളിക്കാരൻ്റെ. How can I write? Yes, here write apostrophe. Yes, the player's cap is. The player's cap is. How is his cap? Yes, it's in blue color. The cap of the player is blue in. The cap of the player is blue in color. Is in blue color. Blue in color here. Blue in color. Okay. At first we write the player. Then write what is the object. Then write how is the description. Okay. The player's cap in blue. The player's cap is in blue color or blue in color. Okay, the player's cap is blue in color. The player's cap is blue in color. Okay. Then next one. What is the next sentence? The house of my uncle is big. The house of my uncle the house of my uncle is big. House of my uncle is big. Whose house? Whose house? My uncle. Whose house? My uncle's. How can I write? At first let's write my uncle. Then what we want to write? Yes, here apostrophe is my uncle's. What? House. My uncle's house. How is his house? Yes, is big. My uncle's house is big. My uncle's house is big. My uncle's house is big. Okay. the axe of the woodcutter is blunt. How can I write? The woodcutter's axe is blunt. Okay. Then the cap of the player is blue in color. How can I write in the possessive naming word? Yes, the player's cap is blue in color. The player's cap is blue in color. Okay, then house of my uncle is big. House of my uncle is big. എൻ്റെ അങ്കിളുടെ വീട് വലുതാണ്. My uncle's house is big. My uncle's house is big. Okay. Next one. Can you remove this? You don't finish? Okay, then next sentence. The book that belongs to Naveen is colorful. Fifth one. The book. What is that? The book. The book or the book that belongs the books that belongs to Naveen. Who's to Naveen? ആരുടെ ബുക്കാണ്? Naveen. Then Naveen is colorful. The book that belongs to Naveen is colorful. നവീൻ്റെ കയ്യിലുള്ള ബുക്സ് കളർഫുൾ ആണ്. നവീൻ്റെ കയ്യിലുള്ള ബുക്ക് കളർഫുൾ ആണ്. The book that belongs to Naveen is colorful. How can I write? Anybody know? Anybody know the answer? Can you guess? All of you try to tell the answer. The book that belongs to Naveen is colorful. How can I write? Whose book? Whose book? Whose book? Naveen's. Whose book? Naveen's. Whose book? Naveen. Change into the possessive naming word and apostrophe s. Naveen's book. What is that? Naveen's book is colorful. Naveen's book is colorful. Naveen's book is colorful. Naveen's book is colorful. Okay. Did you finish? Did you write? Okay. In our textbook, one more sentence. In our textbook, one more sentence. What is the sentence? Sixth one. The toys of my brother are kept there. The toys of my brother are kept there. The toys of my brother are kept there. Whose toys? The toys of my brother are kept there. Whose toys? Whose toys? Sixth one. The toys of my brother are kept there. Whose toys? My brother toys. My brother toys are kept there. അവളെ സൂക്ഷിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. Whose toys? My brother. My brother. My brother. Then change it to possessive naming word. How can I? Yes, add apostrophe is my brother's toys. My brother's toys are kept there. My brother's toys are kept there. All of you fill in the blanks in your sentence, in your fill in the blanks in your textbook. Okay. My brother's toys are kept there. Okay. Then here we discuss in 6 sentences. What is the first answer? Once again, let's read the answers. All of you read with me the answers. First one, okay, right? On Sakshi's red purse is missing. Once again, on Sakshi's red purse is missing. Then, what is the second answer? The woodcutter's axe is blunt. The woodcutter's axe is blunt. Then, third one, the cap of the player is blue in color. How did you write? The player's cap is blue in color. The player's cap is blue in color. Okay. Next one. My uncle's house is big. Answer is whose house? Uncle's. My uncle's house is big. Okay. Then the Naveen's book is colorful. The book that belongs to Naveen is colorful. Whose book? Naveen. The Naveen's book is colorful. Okay. Then the toys of my brother are kept to the എൻ്റെ ബ്രദറിൻ്റെ ടോയ്സ് ഇവിടെ സൂക്ഷിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. whose toys? Brother. My brother's toys are kept there. Did you finish? In our grammar works, in our grammar textbook, you must fill in the blanks. You must the textbook at the time of class on time. Okay. Did you finish? Did you write the answers? Okay, let's wind up today's class. Did you understand? Did you understand? Today also we discuss about possessive naming word. When I change the naming word into possessive naming word, add apostrophe is who belongs to that at the ending of the naming word. Okay, all of you read your textbook very well and study very well. See you in the next class. Thank you.